Rural golfer's dream property. 3-bedroom, possibly 4th, kitchen/dining room, large living room with sliding doors opening onto covered porch. Relax in the rear yard and entertain around in-ground pool with mountain backdrop and adjoining golf course. New approved and installed septic system in 2019. Home features replacement windows, fresh paint, ample space in basement for family room. Basement bedroom could easily be converted to integral garage with level entry. Home site on 1.37 acres. Call for a personal tour.